Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today doesn't have to do with SolidCAM, but something that will help you with your SolidCAM experience. So what I want to show you guys is the screen capture option that we found out that has worked very well. If you guys are programming a part and later come back to it, it helps with your setup sheets and whatnot there. So as you can see down here, I do have my setup sheet applied to this, but I just get a real general basic picture. Maybe I need something a little bit more detailed in that sense. So what I'm going to show you guys here is called Jing. Up here, I have a little sun, and I can highlight anything that I want, and we can do a capture, and we can say, put an arrow and say part name. And maybe we want to tell the operator where the coordinate system is going to be, so we can pop that right there and say, X, Y, Z, 0. And we can definitely put as much detail as we want in here. So we can have arrows pointing to here, check this out, all that. Now the nice thing is I can just come down here and hit the copy button. And now I can go back to my setup sheet, and maybe I just want to pick that one for my op1. So I'll just click on the picture, hit Control V, and it populates the picture. Now it's a little bit bigger, so I can just come in here, shrink it down a little bit, and then we can say, op1, setup. So that's a real nice feature to have. And even if you guys are using tool tables, if you go all the way down to the bottom, and what we'll do is we'll do insert a blank page, and hit Control V, and now that picture is much larger. So it's real nice to use, adding, to tell your operators or even remind yourself of what's coming or where you need to position your XYZ 0. So how do I get that Jing? So you can see the little sun up here, and it has a little history. You have settings, and then your screen capture. You can also do videos with this as well, so it's pretty cool. So if you just open up your internet and go to Google and type in Jing, and it's called Jing by TechSmith. And I'll put the link down below in the description for you guys. And you can just click the download button, and if you're using Windows or Mac, and it will download it for you. And so it's free. Don't have to worry about paying anything. And it's a real nice tool to have, and it's always kind of sitting up there, up out of the way. And you can click and move that little sun wherever you would like. Or onto a different screen as well. So just want to show you guys that for the KevCAM tip of the day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.